welcome back to my channel, and today we're just going to be unboxing Eve's Parcel. Now Eve's Parcel is £12.99 and you'll get 10% off this box if it's your first box, because all you do is you just use the code WELCOME10, gives you 10% off. And this has 3 nighttime pads in it as well. And I've also changed my hair colour. It has gone like a dark chocolate colour. So yeah, that's what I've done. Since you last saw me on my, what was it? Oh yeah, it was Birchbox, wasn't it? And that other one, which is, look fantastic, I think it's Birchbox, not Rockerbox and Birchbox, that's what it was. But this is £12.99 and yeah, so we're going to open it like so. So you can cancel this at any time. So it looks like that, and I've already dropped the card, but we don't need it yet. So it's good. I dropped the card. Right, so oh, here's the contents. Let's do them. So that, oh, it has a nice smell, this box. I don't know why, but it's loaded with lots of stuff as well. Today I will not stress over things I cannot control. There you go. That is so true. Try not to stress out over things you can't control. I wish I could do that. I can't do that. I'm a stressor. And this is me. So there we go. Oh, I've got one of these lovely quotes as well. I love these in my bedroom. Arching pigeon pose. That's going on my wall because I just like them. I don't know why, but I do like yoga. Yoga move of the month. This month's move of the month is the arching pigeon pose. Not penguin. I was thinking of chocolate bars. See, that's what I think of when you hear penguin. I just think of chocolate bars, but there is an animal called penguin as well. So start the pose by sitting on your mat. Bend one knee, placing the leg in front of you. Stretch over the leg behind you. Oh, if I tried to do that, I think I'd injure myself, but it could be worth a try. Maybe, you never know, I might get to try it. So, oh, it's got loads of leaflets. Oh, right, okay, so that is a gel spa, a little gift to you by Skin Technology. So there we go. And it just says use the code GIFT15 at the checkout for 15% off your order. Maybe interesting, and maybe look at that, because I like that sort of thing. Then we got enjoy 50% off Secret. I like Secret. I think they had a wipe out, not baby wipes. They were like all take up all your makeup wipe, and they were really, really good. But that is them there, and I'm going to show you them. See? Right, okay, and to give you the code, and it says coupon code, nice to meet you. So that's the coupon code, and the sunshine's just come out. Right, so I am just going to go and block it a bit, if I can, because I don't want it to do that. It's not going to be really very advisable. Sorry if I have to bend over there a little bit just to block that sunlight out. And move my shampoo, which is this one, by the way. It's really, really good. It's by the Dead Sea, and it's Keratin Mineral Shampoo. Shouldn't have showed you that on the Eve Parcel unboxing, but I did. This is now the contents of this box. You see them? So we have the jellyfoot soak. Really, really, that is a good, probably one. I always like to look after my feet, and I can smell the lavender. Oh, it smells lovely. So then we've got the Secret Minerals from the Dead Sea. This is the massage soap. See that? We've got Secret. Then we got, oh, we've got chocolate brownie in here. I could have just done with that about an hour ago. Right, so that is that. Then we got a coffee bag. Oh, I love these coffee bags. They're really nice. Coffee bag. So, then we've got a eyeshadow by Sarah Hill. I will just show you this. It's in the it's in the colour Sapphire. So, oh wow, it's a really blue. Anyway, so that is, I'm just going to swatch it about here. That is it there, you see it. I'll just swatch it there. There we go. Oh, looking forward to some of that. I might put a bit on my eyes now, see what it looks like. Just pop a bit on there. It's not going to blend out well because I don't have a brush, and I don't know if I like it. But there we go. Just popped a bit on just to show you what it's like. Just trying to blend it in. Right, so that's that. Anyway, it's going to look like that today. That's the end of that. Right, so these are the pads. You do get 3 nighttime pads, so there we go. And I ordered, you do have a choice of what you want. If you want pads or the tampons and things like that. I would have much preferred mostly the nighttime pads, because when I get my monthlies, it's quite heavy, so I would have liked the nighttime pads. And that's just some more pads. You get quite a few pads, and I think these are the nighttime pads. And yeah, so you get 3 nighttime pads as well. And also, oh, we've got something else in this box as well. We have got a Myodon Organic Botanicals Calming Remedy. Oh, I like this type of stuff. Oh, wow. Oh, that smells nice. So, that is the end of this box. If you like this video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye! Right, so, okay, so this is what I got in my box. So, I've got the chocolate brownie, which is filled with the chocolate chunk, and this is the perfect indulgent treat. Right, try this then. Just a little bit. Oh, it has like coconut taste. It does have chunks of chocolate in it as well. Can you see that? It'll be nice with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. One of them it will be nice with. This is £6.50. And it's the Myodon Calming Remedy Roller. And you can get this from, enjoy the exclusive 50% of Myodon products by using code EVES, myodomskincare.com. So it's supposed to have a sense of frankincense, calms, uplifts spirits, can also be useful in treating anxiety. So, okay, I have anxiety, so I'm going to try this and let's see. That's really nice. I do like that. That's quite good. Right, so that is that. So we've got £6.50 there. So this is the Dead Sea soap, which is £19.99. Oh, it smells lovely. It has like this little ridgy thing as well. You see that? It has a gorgeous scent to it. I do like that. So that is nice as well. Right, so then we got this, which is the foot scrub, isn't it? Yes. Where is it? The Joe's Bar foot soap, not foot scrub. So it comes like that. There's 2 parts to it. So, and that is £9.99 for a pack of 3, but we got 1 in here, so we got £3 probably. I think that's what it's supposed to look like as well. So we got that, and then what else did we get? I'm sure that's it for this month. I'll just go over and check it. We got the soap. We got the sugar and spice chocolate brownie. We got the Sarah Hills eyeshadow, which is just there. The Sarah Hills eyeshadow is actually £16. I don't know if I like this colour though. It is, we got the London coffee bag, that's what I was looking for, and that doesn't have a price, so I think that might be just a freebie or something like that, but it is nice, that coffee bag. We've had that before. Right, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!